Alright, so mount your camera on a tripod using landscape. You get my point. So what I did is I had to go with a singlet. You make sure you have two clothes. You can wear a normal clothes and then make sure you have another clothes. You get my point. Then do as if you are doing something. Then have someone around that's gonna throw the other clothes at you. Understand? You get my point. So when you are done with the first part, you standing, then you can now go and then wear the clothes. You get my point, because that's what I did right here that you're not seeing me on screen. I went to wear the clothes, so I'm going to just get back. You get my point. So when after wearing the clothes, you still come back to that same position. I was holding a leaf, so I have to still continue holding the leaf. Then I have to bend as if the force of the clothes just pushed me backward. You get my point. So when you are done with that, you are good to go. Alright, I'm on Capcut right now, so I'll click on new project and import the video. You get my point? Alright, so this is the video, but I'll first of all click on this mute clip audio because I had some noise in the background. You get my point? Now for you to confirm that there is no noise in the background, you tap on the video layer and go to volume. Now when you get to volume, when you tap on it, you see that it's zero, it's reduced to zero, so you can confirm that there is no noise in the background, no sound in the background. You get my point? So now we'll click on this OK button. Let's go back and edit this video. Lest I forget, guys, if you really want to go viral on any social media platform, I mean right now, this particular period, understand, there is this trending video. I just made a tutorial. Look at the link, is up here, so you can click the link up here. It's about a leaf transition, so it's for you to go and watch the video from the beginning to the end and create it, post it on your Instagram reels, TikTok reels, YouTube shorts, even Facebook reels. You get my point? And you are going to get views because it's what is trending right now. You get my point? So now this is how to edit this particular video. You don't even need an empty background for this particular video. You get my point? So now we are going to set how we want this video to start. So from here where the character is walking in, so I will just start somewhere here where the character is walking in. So you tap on the video layer. Now look at split. You click on split and delete the beginning of the video. I don't know if you get my point. So you delete it. Now let's go towards the ending part of the video so that we can set how our video is going to end. So from here, at this point where the character is walking out, I can just tap somewhere here. Yes, tap on the video layer, tap on split, then I will delete the ending part of the video. You get my point? So now this is how the video is going to play. So from this particular point where the cloth touches the character, understand, where the cloth touches the character, make sure that the person that is throwing the clothes is not throwing to your face, understand, so you'll be able to see. You get my point? At least let it come to the upper part of your body, maybe your chest, your stomach. Fine. So when the cloth touches the character like this is where you are going to tap on the video layer, then you are going to tap on split. You get my point? Alright guys, so if you are enjoying this tutorial, please do well to like this video. You get my point? That's just very free, understand? You don't have to pay to like. It's just to click on that like button. You get my point? That's the only way you can support me. Or if you want to show me love, you can just click on that super thanks. You get my point? And then any amount is up. I appreciate everything. You get my point? So now when you are done with this, when you just split it, what you need to do next is this particular part where you are going to change and wear this clothes. You will just move the video a bit, just move it, keep moving. So now I'm on the clothes right now. So this particular point where I'm about to bend, this is where I will tap on split. When I tap on split here at this point, guys, before you do the next part, if you're coming across my video for the first time, guys, you're welcome to Mr. Cray 10 updates. You get my point? And if you love video editing so well, please do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on that notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop another amazing video editing update. You get my point? So I made a video about using Capcut AI. You get my point? If you still want to watch that one, if you want to know how to use Capcut to generate some certain AI images, you get my point? So you can just click on the link up here. You get my point? You're going to go watch it, or you go to the description of this video and watch it. Also, if you want to learn how to edit videos from scratch, guys, I'm available. That's what I do for a living. So I'm going to teach you everything. Currently we are on promo. You get my point? It's just 15,000 naira for 2 weeks. I will teach you one-on-one every day. You get my point? And you're going to know it. You're going to have confidence in editing videos. You get my point? So now what you're going to do next right here is for you to tap on this other part of the layer here. Then you are going to delete it. Now you delete it. So when you delete it, the video is going to be something like this. So let's just play it and see what we got. So look at the transition right there. Understand? I'm still with the leaf. Understand? You know, I was still with the leaf. So now the clothes just touched me and I wanted to fall. Understand? As if the force of the clothes is pushing me backward. I don't know if you get my point. So look at it here. This is very simple. Even a complete beginner will be able to edit this. And if you should do this after watching my video, my tutorial, please, as you are posting it on YouTube, tag me. You get my point? I would love to come and watch the video. You get my point? I don't really want to waste much time here, and I believe you'll be able to do this. So look at it here. So when you are done with everything, you can go and increase the video quality. You get my point? By you can just tap on go to adjust right here. When you go to adjust, you can decide to go to filter direct. Go to filters. You get my point? And when you get to filter, just make sure your data is on, so you'll be able to have access to a lot of filters right here. So I'm looking for clear. So let's go look for clear. Understand? Because that helps you. If your phone, your camera is not clear enough, then you can come here and use this clear. You get my point? Then you click on it. Now look at it, has changed the video quality. You get my point? So I'll click on OK right here. Now look at it here. I have to tap and drag the ending part of this filter. Understand? Now the next thing I want to do again for this particular video is to go to adjust. When I go to adjust, I will tap on this adjust button here. Now I'm going to go to sharpen. When I get to sharpen, I will increase it to 50. Leave it at 50. Then I will increase the clarity also. Clarity will be at 50 also. You get my point? I don't know if you get my point. Now look at it here. You see a very big difference from the first one. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but I believe you do. So guys, these are the things you need to do. So don't even say I don't have a good phone, I don't have a good camera, I don't have to start. Or these are the simple ones you can start with, because with this I believe you'll be able to create it, and this will make you understand that video editing is not that difficult. Understand? So I break it down for a complete beginner to know. You get my point? So that is just it. With this, please like and share this video and comment. Guys, comment on my videos now. Like this video and share this video. You know, we need to grow. So I don't want to talk too much on this video. So I'm going to click on this export button now. So I will export my video to my gallery. You get my point? So see you in our next video.